See exercise number 2.5, sixth problem. Write the cubes in expanded form. First one is 2x plus 1 whole cube. Okay, this is in a plus b whole cube form. What are the factors of a plus b whole cube? A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Here a is equal to 2x and b is equal to 1. So here in this a cube, this is the expanded form of a 3a square, expanded form of a plus b whole cube. So we have to substitute b cube. What is a? 2x whole cube. B 3 into a is equal to 2x whole square. B is equal to 1 plus 3 a is equal to 2x and b is equal to 1 square. Okay, b is equal to 1 cube. Okay, 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 cube is equal to 8. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Now here 3 into 2x into 2x, 2 times into 1 plus 3 into 2x 1 into 1 plus 1 cube means 1 into 1 into 1. Okay, 8x cube plus 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, x into x, x square plus 3 2s are x into 1, 6x plus 1. This is the expanded form of 2x plus 1 whole cube. Okay. Next is the second one, 2a minus 3b whole cube. Now this is a minus b whole cube form. What is a minus b whole cube? A minus b whole cube is a cube minus 3a square b minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay, here a is equal to 2a and b is equal to 3b. Okay, now let us substitute. A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus 3 cube plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay, all this you have to by heart. 2a whole cube minus 2a whole cube minus 3 into what is a? A is equal to 2a square. B is equal to 3b. Okay, plus 3 into what is a? A is equal to 2a. B square is equal to 3b whole square and b cube minus b cube. B is equal to 3b whole cube. 3b whole cube. Now if you take here, this is 2a means 2a cube means 2a into 2a into 2a minus 3 into 2a into 2a into 3b plus 3 into 2a into 3b into 3b minus 3b into 3b into 3b. Okay, now 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 a cube. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 3s are 3 2s are 6, 12 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 3s are 36. A into A square B, plus 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 3s are 54, 54 A B into B, B square, minus 27 B cube. Okay, this is the expanded form. Next, third one is 3 upon 2x plus 1 whole cube. Okay, now here A is equal to 3 upon 2x, B is equal to 1. This is in A plus B whole cube form. What are the factors? A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube. Okay, now 3 upon 2 x whole cube plus 3A square B, 3 into 3 upon 2x into 3 upon 2x into 1 plus 3 B square. A is equal to 3 upon 2 x into B is equal to 1 into 1 plus B cube. B is equal to 1 cube. Okay, now 3 upon 2 into 3 upon 2 x into 3 upon 2x into 3 upon 2x plus here 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 into 1 27, 2 2s are 4. Now x into x, x square. Okay, now here 3 3s are 9, 9 into 1 9. So 9 upon 2 x plus 1. Okay, here 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 x cube upon 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 plus 27 upon 4x square plus 9 upon 2x plus 1. Okay, now fourth problem, x minus 2 upon y whole cube. Okay, this is again in A minus B whole cube. A cube plus A cube minus 3A square B, A cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square minus B cube. Okay, A cube x whole cube minus 3 into x a square, because here A is equal to x and B is equal to 2 upon y, into B is equal to 2 upon y. Okay, here I will write 3AB square, 3 into A is equal to x, B is equal to 2 upon y into 2 upon y. Sorry, 2 upon 3 y. Here this is 2 upon 3 y, through 2 upon 3 y. Okay, here B is equal to 2 upon 3 y. Okay, here आपको आएगी 2 upon 3 y. Okay, here 2 upon 3 y, 2 upon 3 y plus नहीं minus B cube minus B is equal to 2 upon 3 y 2/3y into 2/3y. Okay, now multiply karo. X cube will be x cube. Okay, now this 3 will be cancelled here. Okay, 2x into x is equal to minus 2x square. Okay, now this 3 will be cancelled. 2 2s are 4 plus 4 नीचे 3 रह गई 4/3. now x into y xy plus here 2 2s are 4 4 2s are 8 3 3s are 9 9 3s are 27 y 3 times 1 2 3 so y cube. Okay, 4/3 here y 2 times है x cube minus actually this is sorry here minus sign no here you will be getting minus 2/7 minus 2x square so here 2x square y minus 2x square y you will be getting here. See first case x cube. First case is x cube. X cube. Okay, second case is 2xy square minus 2xy square because एक 2 रह गए यहाँ. ओके y और y और एक x 2x square y. okay this is the case no sorry now here what is left here first 2 रह गए यहाँ. ओके नाउ 2x रह गए x स्क्वेयर एंड 1y रह गए. थर्ड केस में आपको आएगी एक 2 रह गए 2 y's रह गए सो 2 लेट मी डू प्रॉपरली. Okay, here our a is equal to x and b is equal to 2/3y. Okay, x cube. Okay, minus 3 a square b. A square is equal to x into x. b is equal to 2/3y. ओके यहाँ 3 3 कैंसिल हो गई क्या रह गई 2x square y. सो थर्ड में यहाँ ले लेंगे थर्ड 3 इंटू a इज इक्वल टू बी स्क्वेयर इज इक्वल टू 2/3y एंड 2/3y. ये 3 3 रह गए. ओके थर्ड केस में आपको माइनस 2/3y इंटू 2/3y इंटू 2/3y. ओके नाउ लिख लेंगे. ओके एक्स क्यूब क्या रह गए यहाँ 2 एक्स स्क्वेयर वाई एक्स स्क्वेयर वाई. थर्ड केस में प्लस साइन है 2 2 ज़ा 4 नीचे 3 है और 2 बार वाई स्क्वेयर 1 टाइम एक्स वाई. फिर बाद में 2 2 ज़ा 4 4 2 ज़ा 8 3 3 ज़ा 9 9 3 ज़ा 27 वाई क्यूब. ओके